Hello, in this video we're going to be calculating percentage increase and decrease by using a multiplier. So the objective here is to use a single multiplier to increase or decrease an amount by a given percentage. So here's an example. We need to increase £48 by 12%. So what we're going to do is we're increasing. So we're starting off with 100% and we're gaining 12%. So if I add on 12%, I end up with 112%. So I need to essentially work out 112% of 48. So in order to do this, I need to convert 112% to a decimal. So if I do that, that's going to be 1.12. If I divide 112 by 100, and I'm going to times that by 48. So the answer is £53.76. So this example here, I'm decreasing 230% by 35%. So again, I start off with 100% and I'm decreasing by 35%. So I'm taking away 35%. So that is going to be 65%. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm working out 65% of £230. So to do this, I need to convert 65% to a decimal. So to do that, I'm going to divide by 100. So that's going to be 0.65. And I'm timesing that by 230. And that is going to be £149.50. Okay. Here's another example. So now I'm increasing £120 by 7.5%. So again, I'm starting off with 100% and I'm gaining 7.5%. So in total, I have 107.5%. So effectively, what I'm doing is I'm working out 107.5% of £120. So in order to do that, I need to convert 107.5% to a decimal. So that's going to be 1.075. And I need to multiply it by £120. So that is going to give us £129. In this example, we're decreasing 106 by 1.5%. So again, I start off with 100% and I'm getting rid of 1.5%. So if I work that out, 100 take away 1.5 is 98.5%. So what I'm doing is I'm working out 98.5% of 106. So to convert 98.5% to a decimal, I'm going to divide by 100. So that's going to be 0.985 times 106. And that is going to give us £104.41. Here's an exam style question. So a laptop costs £640. It's reduced by 15% in a sale. We need to work out the sale price. So if the original amount is 100%, it's reduced by 15%. So we are left with 85%. So I need to work out what 85% of 640 is. So to do that, I need to convert 85% to a decimal. So that's going to be 0.85. And I'm going to times it by 640. And that's going to give me £544. So the sale price of the laptop is £544. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!